car stations.
Ladies and gentlemen, it's about to take off.
Right, just arrived in Perth. I'm at the Airport Central station, taking a train into the city. Quite good here. Anyway, so here for a couple of days, and then I'm going to collect my bicycle from a friend's house on on Friday, and then Saturday or Sunday I'll head off, continuing my circumnavigation of Australia, heading up to Broome. Here's the train. Right, I just arrived back in Perth after being in Asia and Thailand for 3 months, staying at the Oaks Hotel on Murray for a few days before I continue on my way on my circumnavigation of Australia on my bicycle. Anyway, I'll do a review on the hotel. The main city centre is just there, and Oaks is right here. Real close to everything. Let's go check it out. There's a lift here for the front. Those people inclined. So 509. Oh my God, I actually took the right direction this time. Okay, here for 3 days. Well, today is not really a day. Well, give you a tour. Right, so as you walk in, it has the card for power. Bathroom. No bum gun. No good. Alright, shower, bath, 2 towels, storage, little kitchenette, 2 burner, fridge, with some milk, coffee, sugar, tea, microwave, glasses, everything you need to cook. Yeah, got some pans, lots of forks, studio, city view, TV. Oh, there's a city, whatever. Right, there's a wardrobe. Bed is very soft. Right, so this is a studio at the Oaks, expensive. Anyway, iron board, the room safe. Right, I'm here for a couple of nights, and talk to you later. Alright, so this place is a mix of hotel and residential. So yeah, there's a few here. Oh, I'm just going to get something to eat. Been a long day. Started 3 o'clock this morning. Probably had 2 hours sleep. Anyway, I'll just show you the rest of the area and just the local streets. So they have a restaurant just next to the reception, open for breakfast and dinner and lunch. Right, so there's Murray Street, everything you need. There's Coles, Safeway, everything here. The train station is about a 5-minute walk from this location. Yeah, it also has parking inside the, I think you've got to book the parking. Hope you like the short review of the Oaks Hotel, Murray Street in Perth.